Climate change is here and happening now. It's the defining challenge of our time. In the 2015 Paris Agreement, most countries promised to work towards keeping warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, which scientists say could reduce many but not all of the risks. To do that, we must halve our net emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases from 2010 levels by 2030, and reduce them to net zero by 2050. That means ending our reliance on burning fossil fuels for energy and switching to low-carbon alternatives like wind and solar to power our lives and economies. We need to restore forests, peat bogs and other natural ecosystems that capture carbon to soak up any remaining emissions. New technologies that capture carbon emissions at their source, or actively remove carbon dioxide from the air, like mechanical trees, could also help. As many people as possible will need to play their part, but the global shift to low-carbon energy production needs to be fair. Climate change is currently affecting the poorest people in low-income nations the most. They are the least to blame and often the least able to protect themselves from extreme weather, rising sea levels, lost crops, and other threats caused by climate change. Richer nations need to live up to their promises to provide low-income nations with money and technology to help them reduce carbon emissions and adapt to climate change. Addressing climate change will require all of us, from individuals to organisations and governments, to work together to meet this unprecedented global challenge. There can be no delay if we want to build a healthier, more stable, and fairer planet for all.